Hello, 你好. I'm David Cho. I'm from Western Industry Company Limited. The beautiful Harley scooter you see here is with 500 watts brushless motor. We have installed 10Ah lithium battery inside. So the one-time charge range is up to 40 kilometers. So if you want to prolong the running range, we can put a larger battery inside, like a 15Ah battery. So one-time charge can be 60 kilometers. So we can run anywhere, like you can go shopping, we go to office, or even go dating. You must be very impressed on the big curve design. It offers very big leg space. So those space we can, even when we are go shopping, we can put some groceries and some carry bag here. So it's very useful. And sometimes we can have 2 passengers on it. In the front, 1 kid can load on it. The front T-bar offers very good and steady driving when we are turning. It's very comfortable. And here are some key dimensions on the Harley scooter. The length is up to 1,430 millimeters. And the width on the handlebar 760 millimeters on the wide, so this driving is very comfortable. And the seat height is 670 millimeters height, and the wheelbase is 1080 millimeters. And the ground clearance here, is 100 millimeters. Here is a good design. This is the protection level. For the protection level for the battery case. So when we are running, sometimes the road condition is not good. So the battery case is easy to be hurted. So we set a big protection bar here. So this will protect the battery case very well. And here is a simple power gauge. Full, half, and empty. So it's easy to recognize the power. And on this side here is a horn and a big headlight. Big headlight here. Okay, so the operation is very simple. We use a famous brand name, Wholesale brake levers. So it's very comfortable. It's very big. It's very flexible.